Like this one here, this is a 40G, okay? This is a single axle, still have a TV, still have frameless windows, lots of bells and whistles, but you're considerably less, right? That tag axle adds a lot to the price, okay? The fit and finish inside is gonna look just the same. It'll be slightly different, but different colors and things, but very much the same. So there's the same cockpit, Freightliner. It's just different color seating, like in here. See, it's darker colored. That same huge U-shaped dinette, cabinetry above.
This is an interesting floor plan.
It is an interesting floor plan.
Yeah.
Same opposing slides. You got the hide to bed or hide to loft up top there. There's also a TV in the front. I don't remember a TV in the front of the other one.
I don't remember that either.
Yep. On this side, you have your refrigerator there, your LG, and then
locked.
It's locked. It's okay, Lisa. We've opened a lot of refrigerators. Okay. Your kitchen follows all the way through here, y'all. Yeah. All the way through.
Love the tile.
Yep.
Yeah.
Nice tile. Whirlpool.
And this pulls out just like the other did,
nice.
so you have more countertop space.
More countertop space when you're cooking. So you can put all your prepped ingredients there and throw them in the, because I'm sure this is an induction, throw them in there when you're cooking. Okay. Again, this is a Whirlpool residential, huge. Pull out spice rack there. Is it adjustable, Lisa? Is it adjustable? I don't think so.
I don't believe
No, they're not. Okay. Your sink is right next to their farmhouse, single basin, nice large faucet, cabinetry above and below. Let's not forget the Fish Bakel dishwasher. Okay. Now you have your theater chairs right here. They've got the little snack trays, and right across from these theater chairs is where the TV is, right back there. Okay. Soundbar, fireplace, and the extension sort of the kitchen counters.
Yes.
If you needed to, you could be here if you needed to.
Or you could use that as your coffee bar. There's plenty of power back there.
There's power back there, here and here. Let's see, does this open up? I feel that it does.
I feel that it does.
I see space back there. I just don't know how, and if does it right here.
There we go. Look
at
that.
So extra storage in there for all your components and things.
I love that.
Just have to take a second and figure it out. If you could just back up and look up. Right? You have padded ceilings, but I just like the treatment here.
Me
Isn't that nice?
Yeah.
Okay. Which, by the way, of course, when the slides are in, you can get your refrigerator.
Yeah.
Speaking of bunkhouses, this is obviously a bunkhouse model. Here's the bunk, which is on the slide. So this door obviously closes for privacy in there. There's a door on the other side that closes, but you do walk through the bathroom, okay? And you can get to the bunk from the bathroom, okay? So it's an interesting design with that.
Yeah, it is.
All right, so toilet's in a great spot. This is going to be tall man and fluffy approved without a doubt, okay? Nice solid counter, solid surface. Solid surface counter. It's all molded, so it's one piece. Nice tile backsplash.
Isn't that nice?
You've got this corner cabinet up here, which is nice too, as well as space down here. And I know you can't see it very, very well, but there you go. And that shower is going to also be great, though it's kind of small.
It is.
It is kind of small. But you think a bunkhouse, you know? I don't know. It's kind of small. My head's up in the bubble. But, you know, if you're going to have the bunks, something's got to give. This one, you're going to get a small shower, right? But again, it's the same sort of marble, granite type tiles, stone on the floor. You do have glass tile accents through. Yes, very well done.
So how tall could you be in that?
Oh, I don't know, Lisa. 3.5 inches. So 6'7", 6'7.5", something like that. Because it's a big step up, right? So speaking of steps up, you got steps up here into the bedroom. Steps up.
Step up.
Step up. All right. So looks like an RV King. Is there storage underneath? Probably not, like the other one. Oh, there is.
Oh.
This one's got storage.
Look at that.
Okay. Cabinetry all the way around. I swear that looks like a speaker. It's meshed, so there's got to be a speaker back there, right?
Yeah, I see something up underneath.
Oh, that's just a controller.
Is that a controller?
Yeah, so when you're laying here, you can turn the lights on and off.
Gotcha.
You got nightstands left and right, power left and right. I'm sure there's USB there as well. Okay. Lots of cabinetry. Love the cabinetry in these units. They're very well done.
Me too.
Cabinetry all the way around in the front. You got 8 drawers, TV. Right. Fleetwood bag. Nice. Then up here's your washer and dryer.
Very nice.
Then you have a nice closet up here as well. Lights come on. There's some cedar up in here.
Oh, is there?
Oh, yes.
Nice.
Yeah.
Nice.
Yeah.
Very nice.
This isn't my personal favorite floor plan, but obviously everybody's got different styles.
I'm going through the bunkhouse, I think. Yeah, why not? So we've got we had 2 ladders. I guess one's for the front bed.
Correct.
And there is a little cubby here.
That's probably where they hide the TV. Is there a TV in there?
No,
No, it's just a cubby.
No.
Normally the bunks like this would have a TV in it.
Yeah. And there's a cubby in the bottom one
Down there as well. And there's drawers underneath the bottom one.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, there sure are.
Nice. All right.
Okay, but this is a 40, so we'll look.
We'll try.
Here, you try that one. I'll see how that seat is.